Welcome to Marran. I'm Penny Coyer, Senior Development Manager at Your Land, and today I'm going to give you the latest project update. On the construction front, our contractor has completed stormwater drains and internal sewer mains. Water and gas services are also in place. Our team is currently hard at work on finishing the road base, and curbs are starting to go in. Following completion of the curbs, we'll start on electrical works. Construction of the Barry Road roundabout began in August and will provide improved access to Marran Run, the Whittlesea Public Gardens and Network Drive.